Hi everybody, welcome to E Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. Pampate gags with Gag City Performance. Tuesday evening, the Fine Nine DJ opened for the Queen of Rap Nicki Minaj on the Canadian leg of her Pink Friday 2 tour. In an exclusive for Quickie aired on our sister station RETV, Pampate, who was already in Canada for a performance, shared that opening for Nicki was not planned but something she's been praying for.
I pray about it, say I want to go up on the stage, I want to open with her or something. I pray about it and talk about it and just leave it in a God hands. The region Canada just link her and that was it. What she love about me, she say I don't change my accent on stage. She love when I come out bold and give it to them.
Gagging the entire Scotiabank Arena, Pampate was met with cheers and screams as she delivered an exhilarating performance with some of her biggest hits, solidifying her space on the dancehall scene.
It was great. I know I'm not sleep. I'm not sleep because when I know I want to run out of my eye, I just feel joyful. I feel good. I represent from a country, I represent well, and the crowd received me well.
And with her son by her side, she was met with even more euphoric emotions.
My son at the show, honestly, I feel good. I just go up and I out and I say, I go to him and say, you're good. He said, oh, if you don't go to my mother, oh, my Nicki Minaj show. When the show done, Nicki Minaj, I play with him, we have to take picture and, she make a little fun, a little joke. And honestly, we all Nicki deal with me and my team at the show. It come like, me see her every day. That's how she make me feel. Like she have a friend of me doing a long time.
Now, TikTok to see the return of music from artists under Universal Music Group. TikTok and UMG have reached a deal that will allow songs and artists from its label, including Olivia Rodrigo and Drake, to return to the video sharing app. UMG began pulling content from TikTok in February after a falling out over issues including artist compensation and the use of artificial intelligence-generated music on the platform. In a joint statement on Thursday, the companies said they are working expeditiously to return music by UMG artists to TikTok. The deal pledges to tackle concerns about generative AI technology that produces highly convincing audio, image, and text from simple hand-typed prompts, with TikTok saying it would work with Universal to remove unauthorized AI-made content. Prosecutors want Harvey Weinstein to be tried again after his rape conviction was overturned in New York. About a week after New York's Court of Appeals returned his guilty verdict, prosecutors want him to be retried in September. AP News reported that Assistant District Attorney Nicole Bloomberg told Judge Curtis Farber in a hearing on Tuesday that one of Weinstein's accusers, Jessica Mann, would testify against him if needed. She was present during the hearing. According to Bloomberg, Mann believes that Weinstein may have power, but she is the truth. Bloomberg said, "We believe in this case and will be retrying it." That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.